Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I'm your designing developer. Today I will show you how to build one Play Store in Java. And I hope you'll be also enjoying this project also like you enjoying my all the previous project. And I hope you'll be enjoying this video also like you enjoying my all the previous videos of Java. So just in this project I'll be showing you how to build a Play Store. So Play Store means like when you are just using your Android mobile, so you will be just getting one Play Store app here. But when you're using iPhone or you can say Mac, so you will be just getting one thing of like you can say of like any other thing of like you can say App Store. We'll be just getting in that. So here in Android mobile we are just getting Play Store here. So Play Store is a really good app from which you can just install many of the things like this is an app which anyone have built in Java. So we'll be just also building in Java, but not whole of like that. I'll be only build the front page, so I can just show you how we have just made it that and how they have made it, like how Google have made it that. So you can also just clear all the doubts related to Play Store which you are just getting. Okay, so just now you can check this video. If you have just enjoyed and learned things from that, so please hit a like to this video, and if you are new on the channel, also hit the subscribe button, and after it also just share this video with your friends and family members so they can also learn about what is Java and how to build apps in that. And also just check my previous courses of JavaScript, React, and you can also check my previous courses of Python, Django, which are really helpful for beginner. You can check my starting Python videos if you want to become a beginner to end Python developer. You can check my data sciences and machine learning videos of Python, which is really helpful for beginner of data science and machine learning programmer. You can check my HTML courses also, which is really helpful for starting programming or coding person. And you can just also check my coming up courses. I will be also uploading in the future of like Java tutorial in which I'll be telling all the things start to end, which will be also really helpful for you, and I hope this video will be also really helpful for you. So just now we'll be starting with our project. So just like I'm telling you, we will be just building one Play Store app in Java. But before starting the project, I want to show you how our app is looking and how we'll be just building that. We'll be only building the front page like I'm telling you, not all of that back end things or anything like that. First of all, I want to show you how it will be just looking. So if I open my Google Chrome, you can see we are just getting our Play Store here. You can see we are just getting many of the things in that. Here we are just getting Google Play icon at the left side. Then we are just getting the sidebar things. Here at the center we are just getting a search box. Here you can see that, and then we are just also getting this search. You can see search icon after it at the right side, and then we are just getting category, home, top charts, new releases at navbar and things, and at the sidebar things also. Then we are just getting the whitish color here. We are just getting Google Apps here, Google Apps like icon which is just here. Then we are also getting this icon of like Gmail from which you can change your Gmail accounts, and then we are getting settings icon and this icon of support here. You can see that. So this you can just take support and you can take settings from here, and then you can also see we are getting the beautiful hover effect on all the apps. You can see which I have just put. You can see that how hover effect we are just getting. You can search any of the app also. If I just show you, you can search any of the game or apps here related to your own project, which should be just really helpful for you. So just I hope you will be enjoying this project. So just now we'll be just starting with our project. So before starting that, just you have to opening your VS Code. You can just open brackets editor also to just do that code, but my opinion is to use VS Code, which is really helpful for you. You can install that from Google simply, but I will be just simply opening that from here. So just I will be opening VS Code directly from here. You can see we are just getting our VS Code here. Here if I just move back, so we are just getting div, class name, and these all things. So simply I'll be removing that all things here. So remove that by just erasing that. So by erasing this I'll be removing. Just only I have to do one thing here. I'll be erasing this, and then I will be making a div again. So I have erased div also because in that we are just getting different class name, and then we are getting different class name, so we have to erase that all. Then I'll be writing terminal. Just we have to move down here and make a tag in which I will be writing script element. Then you have to write equals to terminal, but we have already written that, so here I'll be writing help because previously on in the starting we have written help tag in our this column. So here I'll be writing element dot help. Okay, so write that here. Now just close this now. When you've done that, here I will be writing array, then write here buffer equals to, change that to a tag which should be like added. Then I will be closing this and I'll be writing array dot buffer dot added. Just close this, and when you're done with that all things, here I will be writing buffer. Here you have to write audio equals to sound, and when you're done with that, here I will be writing buffer dot audio dot sound. Then I will be closing this tag here. Here I will be moving down. Then I will be writing that to like added atomics equals to. Then I will be writing that to a tag which will be like JS. Here I will be closing this, and then I will be writing added dot atomics dot JS. Here I will be closing this tag. Now when you're done with that, here I will be just moving down. Then I will be writing source mode equals to list. Here just close this, and then I will be doing one thing like close again. Here I will be writing source dot mode dot list. Then close this tag now. Here I will be moving forward, moving down. Then I will be writing here like context comment equals to, and here I will be writing source. Close this here. Then I will be writing context dot comment dot source. Here when you've done that, just I'll be closing this tag now. Then I will be writing here play. So just write here play store, but here I'll be writing store, then I'll be writing apps. Here you have to move forward, and then I will be writing play dot store dot apps, because we want our all the apps here. You can also give any of the name to this play store. I'm just giving same name so you can understand we are making a play store. So because of that I'm giving the name of play store. If I just give any other name, so many of the people just confusing in that like we are making play store and why we are just giving any other name. So here I'll be writing animate equals to, then I will be writing animation, then I will be closing this tag. Here I'll be writing destination dot animate dot animation. Here I will be closing this tag. When you're done with that all things, here I will be just moving down. Then I will be writing a tag which should be like listener point. So just write here point equals to animation, and then when you've done that, here I will be giving the same class name also. So here write listener dot point dot animation. Close this. Here when you're done with that all things, then I will be moving down, and when you just move down, here I will be writing a tag which will be just like here atomics. So right here atomics, and then I will be changing that to a tag which will be like selection equals to use. Here you have to close this. Then I will be writing atomics dot selection. Here I will be writing dot use. Just close this tag from here. Just only go to file and press save button to save these all things. Then I will be moving down here and writing a tag simply which will be just like here destination, but we have already written that. So here I will be writing that to like node. So here I'll be writing node delay equals to debug. So here I'll be writing, then we have to write that to like node delay dot debug. So right here like that. Then I'll be closing this, then save this file from here. And when you save that, if I just show you in the Google Chrome, so our project should be just ready. So just simply open your Google Chrome here. So if I open that, you can see our Play Store is just ready. So you can see at the left side we are just getting our Google Play things like at the nav bar. We are first of all getting the whitish color at the back. Then we are just getting a Play Store icon here at the left side. Then we are in the center also getting our search box and the search icon also, which you can take from Google or anywhere. Then after that at the right side we are also getting the Google Apps icon, and the you can say and your account icon, like from which account you sign in your Google Play Store. You can sign in with any other like Gmail also if you want to do. And then we are just getting my app shop, then games, kits, editor choice. Then you are also getting at the left side like account, payment methods, my subscriptions, redeem, my wish list, my play activity, and parent guide. Like you can just pay if you want to purchase an EM from here. You can also purchase that by going to payment methods and just give the payment and purchase that. Like many of the games like Minecraft or these all games are really of money, so you can purchase that also. But you can also install that simply in your mobile. It will be not installing in your PC. So just like that, you can build your own store in Java. I hope you understand this project, and I hope you also enjoy this project. If you enjoy, so please hit a like to this video, and if you're new on the channel, hit a subscribe button, because it's really motivate me to make more these videos and do more hard work for you in the future. And it's also just give me many of like things like to make these videos do hard work for you. So just you can also become full stack developer of all the languages which we have covered up previously, or which will be just coming up in the future. So I hope you enjoy. So just I'll be meeting you in next project. So for today, good bye.